I have nothing against the use of the word gnatology. But this lecture will focus on the dogmas of old classical mechanical gnatology. That concept is called occlusal finalization, or phase 2, you can see it in parentheses, treatment, because it was normally preceded by a so-called phase 1 treatment to search for the ideal position, followed by the phase 2 fixing of the teeth in that new position. And this kind of very simple anatomical idea is reflected in the evolution of the concepts about the centric relations. Centric relations in the past, independently of the position,